Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back. Today's Python script is all about supercharging your Google Drive experience with security in mind. We're not just uploading and downloading files, we're adding an extra layer of protection through encryption. Whether you're a coder, privacy enthusiast, or just looking to level up your file management game, you're in for a treat. So, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into the world of Python, Google Drive, and a touch of security magic. Ready? Let's roll! First things first, we need to create a project in console.cloud.google.com. You can follow the steps in the video to create your project. If you already have a project, you can use that project as well. After that, you need to create a service account. Follow the steps in the video to create a service account. Copy the email address that the arrow shows. We will use that email address to authorize this service account to upload and download files from Google Drive. Also, we need to generate a key for credentials. Choose the JSON format. Add that file to your project folder. Do not commit this file to GitHub or any other version control system as it is very important. Now, it is time to activate the Google Drive API for our project. For this, go to console.cloud.google.com/apis/library, then search for Google Drive. Alright, the console part is done. Now, we need to create a folder in our Google Drive so that we can upload our encrypted files. Create a folder in your Google Drive and authorize your service account to have access to that folder. Follow the steps in the video very carefully. Also, do not forget to copy the folder's ID, which located in the URL after folders/. Let's do some coding. I won't type the code letter by letter in order not to take your time. Actually, the code is very simple and I will be sharing the code with you in description box. Everything is in the code is very well written and well documented, so I'm sure you will comprehend it easily. But if you happen to have any question about the implementation, please write your question below. I will be happy to answer your all questions. Okay, let's upload our file to Google Drive now. You will see that the file will not be previewed in Google Drive since it is encrypted. We will now download our encrypted file and decrypt it. As you can see, the file is not read by the computer because it is protected with encryption. We will decrypt it using the encryption key generated by the code. And voila! The picture is seen after decryption. In summary, this Python script allows you to seamlessly interact with Google Drive, upload and download files, and ensures data security through encryption and decryption. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.